Everything good. I ain't man. Starless man, you sit all
if you will never go back to your ex, put your middle finger in this.
Massive, no joke, no doubt. You don't know, so we're up on the final stretch, the final segment, the final vibe of the night. You know what I mean? I tell you, say, the day has been great. So it's all about part 5. And trust me, the festivity is sickly hard right now. Massive, look in the distance. That's the entire parade, the excitement coming to my direction. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And we're actually standing right at the AC Hotel. Look good. Since we at the AC Hotel and wait for the entire entourage, the whole vibe of forward that we are going to go around by the center around here from Trafalgar Road. We catch the full excitement as people congregate and just bike riding, all sort of things are going to go around there. So music I play, girl them go dance and I let loose and bass thing as you can see. Center camera already. Look good now, man. Look for the tickets for the crowd. Look good, look good. And a joke thing, so we're vibrant right now and it's a vibe and everything are going good. But you see before that, before a crowd reach, looking at Jamaica, the big man himself, Randy Brown. Watch it broke out. We see from the ring last night to Jamaica on a plane. You're not normal, yo. Big win last night. Congratulations again, family. No joke, no doubt. So, you don't know center camera, Randy Rude Boy Brown, touch and go. You don't know, big fight, big win last night by a knockout and a boy thing and a joke thing. They say I'm the big man tonight, but guess what? I'm a Jamaican. They never know. They never know say I'm a Jamaican. So I tell the whole world right now. All of my beautiful ladies, them we are forward through. Who no know right now, Randy Rude Boy Brown, a Jamaican. Him just talk like American from time to time because he spend a lot of time over there. Okay, but at the big man right now, who we have right to start again? Them have to know. Easy no man. Cheese from flight, the plane. Easy no man. Easy. One run. Who no say him real? We have to tell them. Him real. Name that. I am man. That is it. Randy, I know you're not telling the world you're in Jamaica now. We are waiting.
You don't have enough time.
Yeah. And the boss himself, man. You don't know Randy's family. All of Jamaica walk by massive supposed to know about Randy Brown. You know what I mean? Are the greatest right now for do it. You understand? And that's the thing that I not take back my chat. You don't know from the family, you know how it thing go already. Randy Brown. When you hear me preach it, all who never know, if you're new to the channel, if you don't watch UFC, you have to watch UFC just because of Randy Rude Boy Brown, Jamaican superstar, fighter. You understand? Loud and clear. The girl look nice, man. Oh gosh. Yes, lady in that blue, are you me attack, my friend? Outside. So, with us there, we will have vibe, great energy, and all of them things there. Yeah, man, come through, Dali. That's it, man. I be a Dali there, man. Look good, now, man. Lord have mercy. Look one like, yes. Run there, no Jamaica. We have to show people that want to go on. You know what I mean? If you're in there fine right now, you don't just want to see. Yes, man. I like that. Don't make it look like I like that. Oh. That's a code, man. Outside. Somebody say we are just awaiting the big crowd. Place I go crazy. Open and stay tuned. If you're not watch right now, please like the video. Please drop some comment, you know what I mean? All of me general, if you know say you love the ladies, then let me see you drop some fire signal in the comment section right now. Look good. But they are all a vibe. And here, as a matter of fact, I could go in and meet them. Oh my word, outside. Bad dancer. See you, you know. See you, you know. Man, good. That's a good man. But dance, I'm seeing, you know. Outside. Every day. Yeah, man. The massive no joke, no doubt. We're outside and thing. We're up on the final stretch. It's a final lap of the Exodus Street March. No joke, no doubt. And them are forward this way, which is just great. Crazy vibe, crazy energy. No joke, no doubt. Oh my word, I can't see you. You're outside the carnival. Give them a 360. Let me see good body. Whoa! Clear road. At your hat. Take it easy, my friend. Oh, in the runs up. Jesus Christ. DHQ for nothing. Bad, you're bad. Bad, you're bad. Big up every time, my friend. Go and do it, you don't hear that. Yo, we are hyper in a Branston. Rock out. Massive, look on the vibe, look on the energy forward. No joke, no doubt. Trouble. Trouble. Some stay with you, some of the fatigue. The energy of the one. Fatigue. Watch out. I feel Red Bull, you know. I only Red Bull, man. Up in a year again, in a brother. What is? Intensity is just not normal. Outside with it. Good man. Epic. Now watch him on the far, watch out.
Castro, one visa, down there. A Sarah Clark Club. In case you don't say car, a Sarah Clark Club. Now was the time. Excellence, are you ready? When I say DJ, you say Anna. TJ. TJ. When I say ultra, you say Semo. Ultra. Ultra. And now we in Jamaica. Let me do it like this. Ladies, if you have a pretty face, why you hide your face? Hide your face. Hide your face now.
And if you hear this, so they go with your back.
Hey.
Go with your knees, baby, shake it to the max.
Hey.
Put your knees down on the bass to the max.
Hey.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Let me go.
Shake it to the
Make
max.
up your voice in the Caribbean.
Shake it to the max.
Let me go. Let me go.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind.
Miami. Hey.
Bad man, chill out.
What?
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 Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out.
Hey, you. I just a button on your shot. Make a call for never make a lie.
Like a ball, something fall.
Let me go.
Fling out, let me go. Girl, I want make you some original girl. Some of the body now.
Say.
And if you hear this, so they go with your back.
Yeah, go bend your knees and be shake it to the max.
Put your knees down on the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the
I
max.
want you shake it to the max, girl.
Shake it to the
I
max.
want you shake it to the max, girl.
Shake it to the
I
max.
want you shake it to the max, girl.
Please just rewind, let me shake it. Anything you feel, girl, let's do it like it's that. I make up when I want it like that.
Real bad girl, get nasty. Let me go.
Anybody can touch this.
Rice and beans, but it's
in me back, but it's that. Yes, I got rules at the top, she feel that. Girl, I tell you, but they can kill like a crap to a jump. Do this and I'm not the people. Can't see the bike, one touch when they got just the rhythm, the ears, phone crash to the block. What she want, it has to be that. Bring her the lick, block it on rock. Bring her your punch on the block, we don't watch. Never people know the part to be stopped. Me no stop, me no stop, me no stop. Make she all the way. You gotta wait, you know, you know that it's
When this brother
crazy on the road. I want to see one set of things in the air right now. Everybody, put a round in the air, a hand in the air, put your drink in the air, anything in the air, put your phone in the air.
Me and my friend, Mr. Rum, is here to destroy your body.
Everybody pick up something right now.
I had some stress, so I take some shots. But among the people, really don't destroy all that boy.
All this shot, man, pick up a woman right now. Pick up somebody right now. Everybody lift up somebody right now. Excellent. Everybody lift up. Mash it up. I'm gonna pick up something. Everybody lift up somebody. And start to run. Run it in. Now, we're looking for the crazy people, not the tired people, not the sus people, not the boring people. So everybody who come on the road with vibes and Exodus, start to get like mad people on the road right now. Everybody's at a party. You ready? Go! Let me get back. Somebody shake up the cat. Somebody shake up the cat. Oh, let's shake up the cat. What's it up with it? What's up with it? You can mash it up. Come on, the mind, man. With big flag going over there. Everybody come at a rag on the road. I want to see a rags in the air right now. Where the rags are there? Everybody put your rag in the air and start to spin it around. Everybody spin around. This is Carnival in Jamaica, boy. Push up their action mission. Look out for the one shot. The party with the Vinci people in. Let me see how much tunes you know. Let me see you know so. It's true. We just being honest. Hey. What's up? Everybody come on. Come on. Dominique in the building. You know we gotta touch all the islands, alright? We gotta build the best of everything for everybody. Tunes like this. Do you miss me? I'm sitting on my toilet drinking whiskey. I'm sorry. What you say? Leave me alone, I got no worries. Yeah, bitch, you miss me. Bitch, do you miss me? I'm sitting on my toilet drinking whiskey.
One chicken,
On my phone, man, I'm sorry.
any other chicken,
I know everybody can see
any
this.
other chicken, a chicken skin. Everything good. I ain't man. Starless man, you sit all
Ladies, I want you to be
than
honest
them.
with me. If you will never go back to your ex, put your middle finger in the sky right now. Say. Somebody sing it. What?
I love soca. Lie them at it. Let on classic first come up on the truck, please.
Pura vida, Costa Rica. My side girl says she don't Dutch for visa. White coke, Arabia.
Ladies, I want to listen good now. This yellow girl with the fun. Can't be you me talking now. Ladies, shake your body down there now.
Outside, my teacher. That is it. Easy, man. No, we just go check up that space. Where's the changeover? Yeah, on the two bad things.
We have the money to spend,
All of you with them day one friend, put them on the air right now. Anybody been drinking since the morning? If you've been drinking all day, tell them.
From origins, I did.
Ready now. My name is Joshua Lucas from Toronto. This is Excellence Carnival. We are party all the way till May.
From origins, I did.
Anybody take a play for Rich Cole?
from people, man. Before you get up in your back,
Rudy Malone. Rudy Malone. Rudy Malone. Ladies, I'm looking in the crowd right now. And I want you to have some sexy single ladies in the crowd. Hold on, whatever. Hold on. I saw outside with the brothers. Somebody you don't want to ring, then you don't want to mister. Hands up. Let me see your finger. I want to ring finger them. See you don't want to ring. I'm back for the camera. You for men, stick in the back, yeah. You for men, back for the camera. You for men. Never be somebody now.
Why are they? Me not sing the masqueraders ready. Press play again. Press play again.
Entry of the century.
least one more day on the road, push your right hand in the air. In a couple hours, this is all gonna be over. We don't have long. So whatever happens now, I want you to enjoy yourself with your family. Hold on. Welcome to Exodus. The biggest, the baddest, the baddest. Everybody. Lucky for you, my friend. I in a good spirit. I drink in a good spirit. If I try up to the limit, so don't hold me down, don't fight me down. Yeah. Good spirit. I drink in a good spirit. If I drink cars in a minute, so don't hold me down, don't fight me down. Yeah. My friend, I'm never gonna tell you, say, good people, we only want love and peace. My family couldn't tell you no way. Ladies, so start to wine up. Roll the waist, no feelings. Sit up and up like you need it. No sweetness, like she need it. Love not in trouble, swear. No feelings, not in trouble, swear. 'Cause I believe in the truth. I just wanna live good. I don't wanna let this secret sight in me.
Bad.
What you want? Oh no, what she say? Just there. Ladies, I need you to bend over and bust a sweet wine right now. Yes, sir. I want to see the sweetest wine on the road. Make it sweet. Everybody come. Stop one. All the ladies, roll your waistline. Everybody find that that's just there. What she say? She said, take it easy, I will do the good. You don't have to. Why not yourself? You don't have to. She said, your best friend. Dance with your